It had humble beginnings when Porsche first developed the modest 356 over 75 years ago. Now the sports car is a style icon in the automobile world. And without this little beauty, we wouldn't have the famous and powerful Porsche 911. Hi, I'm Don Laviano from Black Horse Garage in Bridgeport, Connecticut. I'm very excited to show you this numbers-matching 1964 Porsche 356 SC Cabriolet. This 356 SC is one of the best representations of one you will find on the market. It has its Cardex to show that it's a numbers-matching Porsche. It was restored at Black Horse Garage about 10 years ago and has been meticulously maintained and stored here ever since. The owner chose to have it painted in slate gray, and the interior was done in tan leather to give it a more desirable color combination. The dash was also painted in slate gray, and there's leather on top of it as well. As part of the restoration, the Porsche optional headrests were added for even more style. Under the engine lid, the car is powered by a flat 4-cylinder 1.6-liter engine and driven by a 4-speed manual transmission. Wow, what a great driving car. It's almost 60 years old and it is fluid. I mean, the steering is awesome, the transmission is beautiful. I mean, it feels like a new transmission and it just drives well. This model is an SC, so it has 95 horsepower and less than 45,000 miles on it. In the front of the car, it has its original spare rim, and let's take a look at the original Porsche toolkit it comes with. It's complete and it's really neat. It's got the Porsche rag, the belts, all the tools, and take a look at this. The toolkit comes with an original tire pressure gauge. It even says made in Germany on it. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Black Horse Garage YouTube channel and you get to see more cars that I had the pleasure of driving. If you want to make an appointment to see this 1964 Porsche 356 SC Cabriolet in person, please give us a call at 203-330-9604, or you can send an email to sales@blackhorsegarage.com.